Hello students, my name is Deepak and in this video I am going to discuss first equation of the motion. So I have started a series on the chapter that is called motion, which is a chapter of physics for class 9. So let's get started with the first equation of the motion. There are three equations of the uniformly accelerated motion. So today we will discuss only about equation number first, and we will discuss its derivation, and along with derivation we will discuss three numericals so that you can get completely clarification on the concept of first equation. So let's get started with first equation. See, what is first equation? So first equation is V is equal to U plus AT, where V is equal to final velocity, and U acceleration, initial velocity, where A is acceleration, which acceleration? Uniform acceleration, and T is time in seconds. The velocity is in meter per seconds, and velocity will be in meter per second and acceleration will be in meter per second square. So we are dealing with only MKS system. Okay, so now let us discuss about this equation, that how it can be derived. So do you remember the formula of acceleration? So acceleration is nothing but change in velocity over time. So this is going to be final velocity. And how we can calculate changes? So final minus initial. Okay, so final velocity minus initial velocity over time. So this can be written as we have already discussed, that we will express final velocity, you will express initial velocity, and A will express acceleration, and T is abbreviation for time. So here V minus U over T, this is equal to A. So AT can be written as V minus U. So from this one, so we will get V, and means final velocity will be equal to U plus AT. So this is equation 1, and this is how we can get equation number 1 from the formula of acceleration. So let's discuss some three numericals so that you can get clarification on the problems. So what is the question number 1? Question number 1 is a scooter acquires a velocity of 36 km per hour. Okay, so acquires a velocity of, that is, we have given a final velocity that can be written by V, and this is 36 kilometers per hour, and read the question. So in 10 seconds, so that is time is given 10 seconds. Just after the start. Okay, so it means its initial velocity is 0 and 0 meter per seconds. Okay, so calculate the acceleration of the scooter, means we need to calculate it. Okay, so how to tackle with this word problems? First of all, we need to discuss. First of all, we need to read the question, then search what we have given and what we have to find. Okay, So we have given v, t, u, and we need to find a acceleration. So put these equations in the equation. Put these uh, given values in the equation, and we will get a. Okay, but we have given velocity in kilometers per hour, so we need to convert it into meter per second. So how we can convert it? So v is equal to 36 kilometers per hour. So this can be written as 36, and kilometer can be written as 1000 of meters, and hours can be written as 3600 seconds, because this is how we can convert kilometer into meters. So we will get, so two zeros will get cancelled out from two zeros and 36 from 36. So we will get 10 meters per second. So this is velocity, final velocity. So we have given now we can write it as 10 meters per second. So what is the equation number one? First equation is v is equal to u plus at. So v is 10 and u is 0, is a we need to find, and t is given 10. So we can find a is equal to 10 by 10 means 1 meter per second square. So a is nothing but 1 meter per second square. So this is the answer, that acceleration will be 1 meter per second square. So let's discuss about second question. So see, what is the second question? Second question is, a moving train is brought to rest within 20 seconds by applying the brakes. Find the initial velocity if the retardation due to brakes is 2 meter per second square. See, what we have given, a train is brought to rest, means its final velocity is going to be 0 within 20 seconds, means time is given 20 seconds, and by applying brakes, okay, find the initial velocity, we need to find u with the retardation due to brakes is 2 meter per second square. So retardation is nothing but negative acceleration or deceleration. So we can write a is minus 2. Why minus 2? Because it's a retardation, or retardation is what? Retardation is nothing but negative acceleration. So put all these information in the equation. So what is the equation? V is equal to u plus 18. So v is 0, u we need to find, minus 2 into time is 20. So u initial velocity is nothing but 40 meter per second. Okay, is that clear? Next, so question number 3 is, a body start to slide over a horizontal surface. Okay, anything horizontal surface. So it's a horizontal surface, so obviously it have some friction. Okay, so let us suppose with any initial velocity, any means u is equal to 0.5 meter per second, and due to friction its velocity decreases at the rate of, so what is this? This is nothing but definition of the retardation. So this is nothing but retardation or deceleration or negative acceleration. So this is going to be a, which is nothing but 0.05. So actually this is decreasing, so its sign will be negative meter per second square. So how much time it will take to stop the body? Means final velocity is going to be 0 and time is need to be calculated. Okay, so put the all information in the given equation and find the unknown. So equation is b is equal to u plus 80. This is final velocity is going to be 0. Initial velocity is nothing but 0.5 minus 0.05, and time we need to find. So this is nothing but 0.5 is equal to 0.05 times t. So t is nothing but 0.5 over 0.05. So this is going to give us 10 seconds. So what is the time? Time is nothing but 10 seconds. I hope these three numericals will clarify your all doubts of equation number 1, and you will get. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, hit a like or subscribe this channel. Thank you.